Welcome back to another Daishinfinity video. In this video we're going to talk about the Theorem of De Morgan. The Theorem of De Morgan states that not A and B is congruent or equivalent to saying not A or not B, and the same thing follows as for the next one, which is also from the logic section of mathematics, which states that not or negation of A or B is congruent or equivalent to saying not A and not B. So this one we will try to use a table in order to prove this formula. So let's just dive right in. We are just going to prove the first one, which states that not A and B is just congruent or equal to saying not A or not B. So we're just kind of switching these signs. Well, we just have to prove it by using the table. So AB, let's say AB, then we have A and B, then we have not A and not B, and not A and B, and not A or not B. Okay, so if we try to prove this, we just have to try and write them down. Now A and B are just some announcements or some, in Germany we say Aussagen. I'm not sure what the English word is. Maybe I'm not sure, but a message. Let's call it a message. So A is a message, and the message can be either right or wrong. Okay, so let's just write R for right and wrong for W. So W for wrong. And since we have two main messages, we can say that we have four different kinds of combinations between right and wrong. So we can say right, wrong, wrong, right, right, wrong, wrong, wrong. Okay. So A and B states that if one of them is wrong, then everything is wrong because both of them should be right. Okay. So if one is wrong, this should be wrong. This should be wrong. This should be wrong. I'm sorry, I'm terribly sorry for not writing this down as right, since we also have a combination where two of them are right. Okay, so now we have right, wrong, wrong, wrong. And now we are going to write down the negation of A, which is wrong, right, wrong, right. And the negation of B, which is wrong, wrong, right, right. And the negation of A and B is just a negation of the thing, right, wrong, 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 which we have over here. So what we're just going to do is just negate them. So wrong, right, right, right. And now if we have the negation of A and the negation of B, we can say one of them should be right and everything is right. So this is right because two of them is right. This is also right because two of them is right. Oh, I'm sorry. This is right. This is right. And this is also right. This is also right. And this should be wrong because both of them are wrong. I'm sorry for the complications. Okay, so now we saw that those two are equivalent in the table, and that's why we can say that those two are congruent or equivalent to each other. Okay, so the number one thing we have proven. The second one states that not A or B is congruent to saying not A and not B. So we're just going to write A, B, A or B, not A, not B, not A or B, and not A and not B. Okay, so that we can see what's going on. So we just have to write those lines down and then write the wrong and the right and then just go from there. You know, it's just a very simple proof, since we just have to make the table and see if it's equivalent. So this can be wrong, right, wrong, right. Then this should be wrong, wrong, right, right, okay. Then A or B, so when one of them is right, everything is right. So none of them is right, so it's wrong. One of them is right, so it's right, and all of them are right. Not A is the negation of A, so this is right, wrong, right, wrong. And the other one is right, right, wrong, wrong. And the negation of A or B is just the negation of the right, wrong, wrong, wrong. So right, wrong, wrong, wrong. And not A and not B. So if one of them is already wrong, then everything is wrong. So both of them are right, so right. One of them is wrong, so wrong. One of them is wrong, so wrong. And both of them are wrong, so wrong. Now we see that those two are equivalent to each other, so we have just proven that it's congruent or equivalent. So we have now proven that De Morgan number 1 theorem is that not A and B is congruent or equal to not A or not B, and not A or B is congruent to saying not A and not B. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll definitely see us in the next Daishinfinity video. See ya!